oh, we're going off the side. Oh no! Everybody, got my son Wyatt with us today, and we're gonna try to get up to our property. We are in between storms. We had a snowstorm 2 days ago. Doesn't look like it much down here, and we're supposed to get another snowstorm tomorrow. So hopefully we can get in, but we will hit snow. We got to go up in elevation quite a ways, 7 miles from here. Oh, little mucky. Holy shnikes. A lot of mucky. Yeah. Oh, there we go, we're going. I think we'll be okay. All right. As long as we don't slide off the road. Okay, so we're in it now. We'll coming back, we'll see how well we do going up that hill. So we're gonna probably walk down to our cabin. Our driveway goes down a steep hill, and there's only one way in and one way out. So we'll walk down, check things out, drop off a few supplies, but stay tuned, because we still got to make it back through that mucky mess on that one hill, and so we'll see how it goes. But yeah, I'll wander down the hill, show you guys the cabin, and we'll see you down there. So here we are walking down our driveway. And you can see why I probably decided not to drive it, because it goes down and around and way down into there, and down in those trees is our little cabin. There's Wyatt. He's got the propane tank, got a heater, got a pillow. You making it okay there, Wyatt? Huh? You making it all right? I'm making it. I am carrying stuff. I got a sleeping bag. All right, another little trip to the cabin. We just a quick one. I'll show you guys, but we're gonna just drop off some supplies and boogie out of here. For those who have not seen our little cabin, and it is little, 196 square feet down here, and we've got a loft up there. We can sleep. Loft if we need to, sleep up there, storage, but we did some temporarily, because we haven't finished the inside, temporarily set up a cooking area. We got a television, we got a wall heater, sofa. We're gonna put a little table where Wyatt's sitting for eating, and we got a little bedroom back here. This will be a much more organized situation when we get to work on this again next summer. All right, my propane stove friends, we can't get this to light. There is gas coming through. Is it because of too much pressure, not enough pressure? I don't know, let me know. The stove's working. Yeah. I've got this pressure regulator on the propane tank, but maybe it's the wrong one, I don't know. All right, Wyatt, we did it. We accomplished.
We got down here, we dropped off our stuff.
We're gonna hike back out of here and see if we can make it out in that soupy, slick mud.
Yeah, we'll get it.
You can't tell, but it's starting to lightly snow. And now it's coming down a little harder. We got some more supplies to the little cabin, and now we're gonna get ourselves out of here. Yeah. We gotta go through all that muddy muck, so stay tuned for that. Oh my gosh.
By the time you take
We're sliding all over the place.
You see that? We got mud in the tires. Super muddy. Wow.
Highway a little bit.
So you got mud in your tires?
I got mud in my tires.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so that was fun. We made it through the hard part. The rest of it's just nice gravel roads. And I just want to thank everybody for watching. And I really want to thank all the new subscribers. This channel lately has grown a little bit. I've just hit over 500 subscribers, so thank you very much for those of you who have done that, and thanks for watching the video. We'll see you in the next one.